My name is Paul Miskevich. I'm the Vehicle Development Manager for the Grand Cherokee Trackhawk. One of the standard features that we have is launch control. What that does is enable torque reserve, which preloads the manifold to maximum of about 8 psi. That enables us to get instant torque as soon as the feature is released. We also preload the front axle with 1900 Newton meters of torque going to the front axle and locking up the rear differential. What that allows us to do is maximize our traction off the launch and propel this vehicle to a 0 to 60 time of 3.5 seconds and a quarter mile time of 11.6 at 116 miles an hour. The sensation of doing a launch of that magnitude is absolutely amazing. Everything pushes you back in the seat and you do everything you can to focus your attention forward.